Start by rolling out the cover from the bow to the stern. Then, unfold and spread evenly across the top of the boat. Secure the cover straps around both cleats at the bow of the boat. Velcro and clip at the base of the arch to ensure a tight fit. Zip the cover around the middle and bottom stanchion on both sides of the boat. Then, loop and clip the cover straps around the stern cleats. Once both sides of the cover are secured, insert each tension rod into the designated slots at the bottom of the cover. Keep in mind, the height will vary. Ensure you adjust so the cover is raised to its maximum height and tightest fit.